In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to create designs with Canva and then upload them to TeePublic. The first thing you need to do is click Create a New Design, then put in 4500 by 5400 pixels. In this example, we'll use the text and then adjust it accordingly. We can control the font size as well as the style. In this example, we'll show you how we curve the font and then add an image below. Once you spend the time doing that, you're almost there. The last step is to download the PNG. Make sure you hit transparent background and you're on to the races. Head to TeePublic where you'll upload the image. Fill out all the necessary things and then make sure you've got the colors and sizes you want to represent your image. It's pretty simple. In the end, just rinse and repeat.